Have you ever considered receiving all of your money back when you make an online purchase? Although there are several applications and Chrome extensions that offer cash back in the form of coupons when you make a purchase, the Social Good app rewards you in cryptocurrency. You can scan this QR code, download the app, and verify your account now so you don't waste your next purchase and get a $100 bonus with my link. In this video, we'll talk about how Social Good operates, whether you can actually cash out your coins, and whether this is your first exposure to the concept. I possess $300. Let's get started. There are 5 billion mobile users globally, which is the projected size of the market for cashback applications. 55% of internet shoppers want to get cash back or perks. Let's examine the usage and benefits of coins. We are aware that a coin's use determines its worth. The value of the token increases in direct proportion to how useful it is in real life. A Social Good software has a solution for this in the form of staking, where you receive greater rewards in proportion to the number of tokens you possess. For instance, my present rank of Platinum signifies retaining 200 coins or making purchases totaling $2,000 in value. There are just a few further tiers, but Diamonds and Platinum rank with a 15% stake in rewards are the highest. The business anticipates that the token's value will reach $105 in the near future. Once more users have joined the network and have begun staking, let's look at the website right now. So it's a fairly typical, wonderfully designed website with over 50 million prizes for 2 million users, according to them. How many users they currently have is what they are anticipating. Therefore, they are approximately 2 million, and they think the payoff will be more than 50 million. Therefore, for all of these, if you sign up through my referral link, you will receive compensation. You will receive $100 to get started with it, and I will also receive some compensation. This is how the app functions and is available for both iOS and Android. You download it to start shopping, and you can earn cash back just like you would with any other Chrome extension or other cashback app. Just accept this one though. As far as we are aware, it pays you in cryptocurrency. Are you interested yet? Click the link in the description and register now or scan this QR code. At some point, it might go up or down. Therefore, if you stick onto your coins in the future and you have faith in the project, they might actually be worth something. It's best to just pay them out as soon as you obtain them if you believe that they will be dumped or anything else. So the decision is yours. You may therefore purchase the software and use it on your phone, Android or iPhone, as well as on your navigator by using the extension. As you can see, there are numerous websites and services that you can use to get your money back on Alibaba, Nike, Adidas, and eBay. Additionally, Walmart, Udemy, Booking.com, and many other businesses are constantly being added. Therefore, I believe that having the app and receiving some cash back is always advantageous if you are purchasing some of these services. Not only that, but if you refer a friend to the Social Good, you will get compensated for it, and you might even be able to assist them in collecting their first $100 on the app. If the project piques your interest, you can read a white paper to learn more about it and gain a deeper understanding of the system's economy and coin distribution. You can also look at the frequently asked questions and additional resources that are offered on the website in addition to those mentioned above. As I previously stated, one is predicted to cost around $105 or $106 in the near future. The value today is far less than that. The coin is currently valued at $0.05, but according to certain mathematical calculations done here, they anticipate it will rise to as much as $106. The BTC, BNB, and XRP are some of the most well-known coins, and this is the value per address as they are imagining it. Every individual holding the coin and every address carrying the coin will increase its value, and test G appears right now. As a result, both sides have the same maximum cap. When they first published this analysis, the value was 0.10. However, it is currently 0.05 or more than half of that amount. The value per address is therefore predicted to be $1137, but they anticipate that the real value, which is expected to be $11,109 because they have close to 2 million users, would be higher due to their large user base. They have roughly 18,000 holders, which is many. However, they anticipate that there will be 2 million actual proprietors of the currencies or addresses. Therefore, the price will increase to the true one, which is 105 if 2 million people watch the video on key platforms. Well, you may read this and go through it to learn more about that, the workings of the system, or the mathematics involved. In fact, I've already cut part of my coins off my end. Don't waste your next purchase and use Social Good Instant. Click the link in the description and register now or scan this QR code. I'll be making another video shortly about that. Stay tuned and thanks for subscribing, as well as this video. How did I pay out my SG to the MetaMask then? If you want to see the following video, let me know then. What do you guys think of the video? I'll post another video later on how to withdraw, transact in US dollars or the currency of your choice after transferring your funds to MetaMask or a centralized exchange. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel as usual. That was crypto, and I'll keep exploring till the next video, I say.